The stock market, way wilder than crypto.
Absolutely.
You have currency markets, which almost never happens, wilder. Bond markets, wilder. And here you have crypto just going nowhere. But what happens is when these things go to sleep, when they wake up, there's a mega move. And so that's the question, is which way is it going to go?
Mega, that it would beat its all-time high, mega?
Not that mega yet.
Okay.
Eventually, yes, I do have that long-term thought process. But I think in the near term, I'm looking for actually a move up, probably to 25,000, which from here would be a nice chunk of change. But eventually, reality is going to set back in, and I still, unfortunately, don't think the lows are in yet.
An interview with the YouTube channel Stands Bear Research, Gareth Soloway believes that Bitcoin is in a absolutely sleeping positions right now. Buyers and sellers are acquiring each other out for the time being. The lows are not yet in for the cryptocurrency. He also believes that Fed is given the first hint and it's finally moving. Going into 2023, that will be the best performing asset for the years for the gold. Hello, welcome back again. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price predictions of the Gareth Soloway 2023 $25,000. So why the video until the end? Bitcoin bear market may take Bitcoin price to $25,000, says traders with the stocks due to the capitulations. It could still go either way for the Bitcoin price actions, but one analyst believes Bitcoin is already coming out on top the versus equities. Windy Pop notes, however, that compared to a previous DXY bull runs, Bitcoin has lost considerably less in the USD terms. 2014, for example, saw Bitcoin USD shed over 80%, while the drawdown from its all-time highs in November 2022 has so far only a total maximum of the 55%. Right now, we are seeing this is implied strength, and I think that the dollar is getting into the period where we're getting it done for that. He commented, adding that the reversal was close. Nonetheless, Windy Pop said the Bitcoin bear market might continue, and if so, a target for the downside now stand beyond $13,000 to $25,000. I think it's going to be the part of the trigger that's going to flesh out the reset of the excesses in the market, most notably equities, and then Bitcoin will come out ahead, and it's already happening here. Is Bitcoin gonna back to the 2022? The Bitcoin could end 2022 at $22,000. Coin prices is slightly more optimistic in the short term, predicting an 11% increase to the $22,000 by the end of this year. During an interview with the YouTube channels Missed in Crypto, Gareth Soloway also talking about the price predictions of the Bitcoin. Listen to his interview right now.
At least for now. And so people are just waiting. When are we going to hear more information? And by the way, one thing I've said is that I think that when we do get that framework and the SEC releases the framework on the rules, and again, Bitcoin probably a commodity, most other things a security, but that's fine. But the question I have is, are there new rules for crypto securities that are different from stock securities like Apple or Microsoft? And I think that's what we're going to have to see. But I do think that once that happens, you do see a relief and a move up in crypto at that point.
Bitcoin is gaining pace above the $20,000 and the $20,500 resistance level. The price is trading above $20,000 and the 100 hourly simple moving average. There is a major contracting triangle forming with the resistance near $20,000 on the hourly chart of the Bitcoin USD pair. The pair could rally again if there is a clear move above the $21,000 on the upside and MDA resistance in near the $20,000. The first major resistance size near the $21,000 level. The next major resistance might be the $21,000. A clear move above the $21,000. 200 resistance might send the price towards the $22,000 resistance. Any more gains open the door for a steady increase towards the $25,000 resistance zone. Bitcoin magazine Twitter with the 3 words. Only with the 3 words. Just in $25,000 Bitcoin. I'm personally of the opinion Bitcoin goes to around $23,000 or is the midterm with $25,000 as a possibly. Bitcoin closed above $20.4 thousand and is held above that level so far. I had likely to see some more follow-up. Although Bitcoin exhibited a slight bearish correction yesterday, it's again showing an upward trend. The Bitcoin USD pair is now consolidating a wide trending ranging of the $20,000 to $21,000, which is a period extended by the 38.2% to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. The RSI and the MACD are still holding in a buying zone, supporting the chance of a bullish trend continuation. Alongside the 50-day simple moving average also suggests buying above the $19,017. As a result, a break of 61.8% Fibonacci level has the potential to extend the buying trend to $21,000. If the current upward trend continues, Bitcoin could reach to the $22,500. That's it for today. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Bitcoin Thinking channel and turning on the red notifications button. So, see you next time.